Shooting in log on Canon EOS R6 Mark II is cinematic until your highlights blow out and it looks like this. So you crank your shutter speed to fix it, right? Well, not quite. Today I'll show you how to use log the proper way and why variable ND filters are going to be your best friend. Canon C-Log 3 gives you more dynamic range, but there's a catch. On the R6 Mark II, the native ISO is 800. That's great in low light, but outside on a sunny day, it's a recipe for disaster. So what do most people do? They crank their shutter speed and you're all set. That easy, right? Well, not necessarily. That crisp motion may look fine for now, but it breaks the cinematic feel, and good luck grading that in post. Enter the variable ND filter. This thing is like sunglasses for your lens. Now I can keep my ISO at 800, keep my shutter speed at 150 for that nice motion blur, and still expose properly. Your log footage stays clean, balanced, and easy to grade. The R6 Mark II crushes it in low light, but that also means that it's very sensitive in bright light. Shooting log without managing light, you're making it way harder than it needs to be. That's why a variable ND filter is not optional, but essential. So yes, cranking your shutter speed works, but it's kind of cheating, and you deserve better footage than that. Use a variable ND filter, embrace the native ISO, and do what your camera was meant to do. Hit like if this video helped you out, drop a comment if you want a full ND guide, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been real, keep it real, you know what it is. Deuces.